Hi everyone, welcome to Debanks Arts of Fashion. I hope you are all doing fine. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make these Canadian Smocking. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. So the first thing to do is to draw your cube. I mean these boxes, the boxes you can see here. What I used for this is 2 inches by 2 inches. So you can make yours wider than that, but I think this is normal. And I've marked my pattern on it. What this pattern means is you will be picking according to the direction of the chalk you have here. So this is how you will make it. If you pick this one like this, you omit one, then pick this like this, omit one, pick like this. And for the second line, you leave where you started the first one, then pick this, leave this, then pick this. Let me show you how to do it. So you will pick it like this, pick like this, and like this, then bring it together and pick it like 2 times or 3 times, like 2 times or 3 times, like 2 times or 3 times, and finish it. And finish it. Then you cut your thread and go to the second one. Go to the second one like this, you pick like this and like this, and that is how you will do for all the lines you have there. This is how it should be coming up little by little before you finish it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly subscribe to this channel. Bye.